I'm at the 2018 Rally for Rianda. The Rianda House in St Helena, California is the senior center, and they have an annual fundraiser that was started a few years ago with a little bit of a car show attached to it. The car show and rally, so forth, is one that we put together and drive a little distance from Calistoga down to St Helena. In past years, the event was held place at the south end of town. This year they've moved it up to Lyman Park, which is basically in downtown St Helena. We're right next door to the St Helena Police Station and Fire Department. So right behind me is actually where the couple of fire engines that I've worked on were stored. The 1917 Schneer that St Helena bought brand new from the manufacturer, who was at the time in San Francisco. There's only two of those that we know of that are still in existence. It has the big T-head Wisconsin engine, 6-cylinder that's in it. But I've got a video of that on there. We should move on, even though there's also the white fire engine that's in there that I've worked on quite a bit. So let's move on. Today I brought the 1960 Eldorado Barretts convertible. This is a car that belongs to Dennis, and one of the guys that I've helped keep the car in good shape for. This car is available, and I've got some videos on my YouTube channel of this car. So we'll move down the line. We have the Austin Healey BT7. That's about one of the end of the cars that had the removable windshield before they went to the BT8 and the roll-up windows and all that, so forth. Okay, let's walk on. A couple MGs. We got a TC over there, pretty nice, and Ferraris, and got an early Jag XJ120 that belongs to the Nickel and Nickel winery group. A couple of Model A. Got a Roadster and a pickup, and it's a Roadster pickup over there. And then we have an early 25 Dodge Brothers touring car. We have 34 Ford 3-window coupe over here. 62 Corvette fuel-injected car. And one of the 34 Ford coupes that this is one of the cars that you can buy right out of the box from the company that does those and go racing. They actually have a racing series set up for those cars. They also do a Cobra replica that they have a series that you can participate in to go racing. So, okay, now we have a row of pickup trucks. 46 Chevy, parked next to a 51 Chevy. And we got an F100 from early 53. And then another Ford. Oh, this is Dan Beltrami's Ford. Okay, nice. Dan. He has St Helena Auto Parts. Power wagon and a Chevy. Okay, let's move over here to the park. the theme this year is Back to the Future, and we have a DeLorean up here somewhere. If I could keep doing my video until I get this done, then we can have more time to talk. Here's Carol and Klaus, and Carol is the one that actually came up with this idea to have this rally with the collector cars. So she convinced the Rianda board to do the car show, and this is what year is, how many years now? Four. Five years. The first year was the Casino Real with the Aston Martin.
From the movie.
And now here we are with a lot more cars and people.
30. I think there's 30 cars.
30 cars?
I think so.
Okay.
Something like that.
Okay. Takes a lot of work. How much did they raise last year, do you remember?
I think it was 143,000.
Wow. The first year you paid off the mortgage on the Rianda House.
Did? Yeah.
Yeah.
But that was 98,000 that year.
98. Okay.
And
Okay.
each year it's gone up just a little bit.
Oh, great.
So
Yeah.
we'll see what happens this year.
Yep.
Okay. So I'm out videoing the cars, and because I'm a terrible videographer and don't know how to cut and paste, I start and I go to the end and that's it.
That's it. Good. Did you get the DeLorean?
I haven't done that. I'm just walking up there now. So I'll go finish my video here and
Come join us and eat.
then I'll come and join you.
Okay, we're going to go
Okay.
eat.
Okay.
All right.
Truck? Don't touch it.
So there's the feature car today because of the event. Yeah. The theme of the event is Back to the Future. So there we are, the rally for Rianda DeLorean, Back to the Future. And here we are, downtown St Helena. Hope you enjoyed Rally for Rianda 2018. Thanks for watching.